Hey guys, welcome back to Motivation and Box Trucking. I'm so excited to share this information with you. However, before we get into it, I need for you to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and most importantly, the share button. And pass this on to anyone you think needs some motivation. All right, let's get right into it. What's moving Kansas? Kansas was named after the Kaw Nation, also known as the Kansas Native American tribe, that historically inhabited the Midwestern region of the United States. It is bordered by Nebraska, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Colorado. It is a landlocked state, which means there are no ocean ports located in the state. Often called the breadbasket of America, it is a leader in wheat and corn production.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Thousands of truck drivers call Kansas home, and in its most populated city of Wichita, the average annual salary for a local truck driver is $56,378. For those interested in joining the industry, you can expect about $34 an hour with the CDL. That is slightly below the national average of $38 an hour. Now let's take a look at the agricultural commodities found in the state of Kansas. A commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. It is a useful or valuable thing, such as water or time. In Kansas, the top agricultural products are cattle and calves, bringing in $12 billion annually. This is followed by corn at $4.3 billion, wheat at $2.1 billion. As of 2022, there were 46,182 family farms in Kansas, which is about 83% of all farms in the state, similar to the Peterson family farm shown here. Italy and Canada are the largest holders of agricultural property in Kansas, with nearly 3/4 of a million acres. For those of you who want to get down and dirty with the essential job of transporting cattle and other livestock, the current publicly available bidding price ranges from $2 to $4.50 per loaded mile. Now let's take a look at the agricultural exports. An export is a commodity, article, or service sold abroad. These items are native to Kansas but transported across state lines or shipped internationally. The top agricultural exports contributing billions of dollars annually to the Kansas economy are beef and veal at $1.5 billion, wheat at $1.3 billion, and lastly, soybeans at $1.2 billion. In fact, 24% of the nation's steaks come from Kansas. The Golden Triangle of beef refers to the three southwestern cities and counties of Dodge City, Garden City, and Liberal. The Kansas Beef Council at kansasbeef.org provides a great resource directory that can connect carriers to local farms and beef producers. Listed by county, you can easily access contact information to see how your company can potentially provide transportation services to these companies. These are great refrigerated opportunities for those with reefer trucks in their fleets. For those looking to join the industry, knowing the type of equipment needed for the items moved in your area allows you to invest properly in your company to keep your wheels turning. Next up, we have a list of other top items moved by truck in the state of Kansas other than the agricultural products previously named. The number one items transported by truck are aircraft, including engines and parts. Since 1928, Wichita has been known as the air capital of the world, manufacturing more than half of the world's general aviation light aircraft, business jets, and commercial airliners. Wichita is home to Textron Aviation and their companies Beechcraft and Cessna. There is a Textron Aviation aftermarket parts and distribution center in Wichita, Kansas. If you're in the Wichita area, see what opportunities are available to you and your company with such distribution facilities such as this. Now we will see what opportunities Amazon Relay has in the state of Kansas. There are many facilities for 53-footers, and here is a list of facilities that have 26-foot and 16-foot cube truck options. If you're interested in Amazon Relay in your area, join us over on Patreon. There we have Amazon-specific strategy and other box truck information. There's a free tier and a paid tier, so there's a little something over there for everyone. Joining the community gives you access to a network of truckers all over America that are serious about the trucking industry. Another great networking opportunity would be joining the Kansas Motor Carriers Association. Check out kmca.org to see legislative updates, visit their calendar of upcoming events for 2025, such as the annual convention scheduled for September, and to read their newsletter. Become a member and enjoy their resources. Thank you for joining us for another episode of What's Moving, a State Trucking Series. Be sure to check out all 50 states. Until next time, stay safe and stay motivated.